Hello, video number 20 looking at binary coded decimal. BCD for short. This is another way to represent data, and it's very similar to binary, but there are distinct differences which you'll see. It uses 4 binary digits, 4 bits, or as we might know it, a nibble, to represent a single decimal value. I like to think of it as being a bit of a lazy way to represent denary in binary. It usually comes up in the exam though, so you're definitely going to need to know how to do it. If we think about normal binary, and we get this 8-bit binary value, that converted into denary is 132. So a little bit of revision. That comes from the 1 on the left, representing 128, and the 1 here, representing 4. Those two things added together make 132. If we're going to take the same value in binary coded decimal and convert it into a denary value, what we do first of all is split the 8 bits into 2 nibbles. So the first 4 and the second 4 as shown there. Those equate to those values in decimal, and then you quite simply join the 2 values together to get the binary coded decimal version. So you can maybe see why it's a lazy way to do converting. If we were to convert the other way around, from denary to binary coded decimal, so a number like 56, again we'd split the digits up and we'd convert them into binary, and then we've got our binary coded decimal equivalent. A more complicated one might be where you have 3 digits, but you just end up with a bigger value, a longer set of bits in your answer. Only do binary coded decimal conversions if it's explicitly asked for in the exam. So otherwise just use the normal binary conversion method. Before I give you some examples to try for yourself, here's something nice. Lots of people, well maybe not lots of people, but some people might have binary clocks. There's an example of one there. But what most people don't actually realise is, in a binary clock, it's actually showing with the dots, not binary, but binary coded decimal. If we have a look, the 1 is represented by a dark spot there on the nibble, and the 0 is represented by 4 light spots on the 0, so they aren't coloured in. The 3 is represented by a 1 and a 2. So if we look over here on the right, so it's because it's doing it in blocks of 4, it's actually binary coded decimal. Here are some for you to try for yourself, converting both ways. So pause the video and have a go at those now. And bye for now.